भारत में प्राचीन काल में धर्म न केवल परिवर्तनशील रहा बल्कि धर्म अलग अलग रूपों में भी आया। उत्तर वैदिक धर्म, जो वैदिक धर्म पहले कहा जाता था, ब्राह्मण धर्म के रूप में जब स्थापित हुआ तो इस ब्राह्मण धर्म के विरुद्ध आवाज उठी और दो अन्य धर्म उद्भूत हुए। उनकी मूल विचारधारा उपनिषदों पर ही आधारित थी। अर्थात एक धारा उपनिषदिक विचारधारा के रूप में वैदिक धर्म में परिवर्तन कर रही थी, तो दूसरी और तीसरी विचारधारा बौद्ध धर्म और जैन धर्म के रूप में आ रही थी। इन इंडिया, इन एंशिएंट टाइम, religion was totally tolerant, totally changeable, और उत्तर वैदिक काल में एंड इन लेटर वैदिक पीरियड one change seems in the form of Upanishadic thought and another change in the form of emergence of Buddhism and Jainism, two new religions. Mainly all the basic ingredients were from our ancient religion, Vedic religion, Rig Vedic religion, but two different lines appear. It shows that how much we were tolerant. When we will see political system, we will also see most of our political monarchs were tolerant, secular. They were not rigid in religion to follow their own religion. They allowed people to follow the religion of their choice. Buddhism, Jainism, and now when the first line saw, that is Upanishadic sense, saw that they are not able to convince people because their thinking, their principles are very complex. They were not able to face the growth, fast growth of Buddhism and Jainism that time. Then they tried and they successfully changed Brahmin religion in the form of Bhagavad religion. That is, in ancient time, when Buddhism and Jainism were very fastly developing, at the almost same time, the Brahmin saints changed their way and they give Vedic religion and Brahmin religion institutional form in the name of Bhagavad religion, and they now said that our God is Vasudeva Krishna, our religious book is Gita, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and they answered almost all the questions. What is karma? What is jnana? What is bhakti? What is moksha? What is sukh? What is dukh? जब ब्राह्मणी व्यवस्था के खिलाफ बौद्ध धर्म और जैन धर्म एक धर्म का रूप ले लिया, जो सामाजिक परिवर्तन था ये धर्म का रूप ले लिया और तेजी से विकास करने लगा, तो ब्राह्मण धर्म के संतों ने अपने धर्म को भी भागवत धर्म के रूप में परिमार्जित किया, ट्रांसफॉर्म किया और वैदिक और ब्राह्मण धर्म को संस्थागत रूप दिया इन द नेम ऑफ भागवत धर्म, सेइंग दैट वासुदेव कृष्ण इज आवर गॉड. Srimad Bhagavad Gita is our main religious book, and they explain all things related with human life. That is, divine life as well as materialistic life. Then in these 1500 years, that is just after the emergence of Rigvedic religion in 1500 BC to beginning of centuries, we see major change in religion, and in religion so many positive aspects, so many progressive aspects came as well. So many such aspects appeared in religion which become very injurious to us and which are even now damaging and hurting us. इस दौरान धर्म में व्यापक परिवर्तन हुआ, तमाम अच्छे तत्व जोड़े गए, लेकिन साथ साथ कुछ ऐसे तत्व भी आ गए जो हमारे लिए दुखद रहे और हमारे व्यवस्था को क्षति पहुंचाए और आज भी क्षति पहुंचा रहे हैं. We will see it, what damage these elements did to our ancient religion and which we are facing now in our next video. Thank you.